did. Okay. What's his name? One second. D-I-R-K.
Hey, looks like everybody's in. Good morning. Can everybody hear me okay? Okay, I'm going to call the docket. As you all probably remember now, we are doing our plea docket at 1:30 Monday through Thursday. If you need to approach on something, 1:30 will be the time to do it. I'm going to continue to do Zoom and in person for jury trials. So at this time, John Young, you're the first one to come in.
Yes, Your Honor, I just need to go in a breakout room with the prosecutor. We have done what they've asked my client to do for a dismissal.
All right, so I'm going to reset you for May 3rd, just as a backup. What is your client's name?
Fiera, Your Honor.
Is it F-I-E-R-A?
F-E-R-R-E-I-R-A.
Okay, Ferreira, okay. And what's your cause number?
Cause number is 633-649.
Okay, great. Okay, Mr. Young, and is she in the courtroom or is she in
It's
Zoom?
on Zoom, Your Honor.
Okay, Ms. Ferreira, will you please say something so I can see you? Ms. Ferreira, can you say something? Okay, I don't think she is on Zoom, Mr. Young. Can you give her
I'm
a
not in my office, Your Honor. I'm in your courtroom. I'm prepared to give this to the prosecutor now, and my understanding is they were going to dismiss the case.
Okay, but she needs to appear, Mr. Young. So if you can give her a call, I need to see her on Zoom or in the courtroom, please.
Yes, Your Honor. May I speak to a prosecutor?
Okay, so I thought you had said you had already gotten an appointment or an opportunity to speak to a prosecutor. Sure. I'll mark you conferring. Okay, I'll mark you conferring. In the meantime, if you'll call Ms. Ferreira to appear, please.
Your Honor.
And so, Mr. Young, since I've already given you a reset date, you can just leave from the courtroom and I'll excuse Ms. Ferreira from here. Okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Have a good day. Joseph Stateson? Joseph Stateson. All right, I'll come back. Mick Aguilera.
Good morning, Judge. I'm here on Pete Almendera. I don't see him on the calendar or on the list.
Do you have a cause number on him?
Yes, Judge, it's 664-629.
I'm sorry, I didn't get all those numbers. Would you say that again?
I apologize, 664-629.
Okay. All right, and will you call Mr. Amendera to get on Zoom so I can see him?
Absolutely. Yeah, I was calling him. I was calling him for like the third time. He called my case, so I hung up quick. I do have a certificate that was going to get a more favorable plea bargain, but I have not been in communication with him today.
Are you here? Pete Armendera, whatever.
Is he on Zoom?
Yes, I see him on the screen.
Where is he on Zoom?
Second column, second from the bottom.
I hear somebody speaking, but I
Okay,
don't.
Felix.
Yes.
All right.
Judge, that was Deputy Butler talking.
Morning.
Good morning. I'm looking for Mr. 664629. Almeida, Pete Almeida, are you here? Okay, I need you to call him, Mr. Aguilera. I need to see him so I can mark him present. Did you want to confer?
Yes, Judge, I have the certificate needed for a more favorable plea bargain. I would eventually like to set this up for a plea, but I guess first I need to get my client here.
Right, okay. We'll put you in a breakout room for that, okay?
Thank you.
Erica Denuncio?
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here on Adriana Castaneda. She's on page 5668148.
Okay. And Miss 66516631148. Tell me that cause number again, please.
It's 668148.
For some reason, I'm not getting all the digits. Would you say it again?
668148.
Deputy Butler, do you know which one that is?
She's on page 5, Your Honor, towards the top.
Okay. Yeah, I wasn't hearing the first two digits. I don't know why that's cutting out. Okay, that's Adriana Castendia. I don't know what that's, okay. Is she here? Miss Castenda, are you here?
I see
Okay,
her on the Zoom.
Yes, I'm here.
where? Oh, okay, where are you? Can I see you again? Would you say something? Miss
I'm
Castenda?
here.
Okay,
Yes,
can
can
you
you hear
turn
me?
on your video, ma'am, please? It's Castañeda, I see that now. The docket has it wrong. Miss Castañeda, will you turn on your video, please? Ms. Denuncio, what did you want to do on this? Thank you, ma'am. You can, I'll mark you present. Thank you.
I'd like to confer, Your Honor.
Confer, okay. You'll get a breakout room any second, okay?
Thank you.
Julia Hernandez.
Good morning, Judge. My client is present, Simon Castillo, and I just wanted to advise the court that he still has a felony pending.
Okay. So are you the attorney on the felony?
No, Your Honor. And he is on page 4, 659677.
Thank you. And is he here?
Yes, he is present, Judge.
Thank you. All right. So you don't want to confer them?
Well, I really think that it might resolve our cases once they take care of the felony.
Okay. So you're not the attorney on the felony, right?
No, Judge,
I'm sorry. You are or you are not?
I am not.
Okay. All right. We'll reset this for May 26th. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. May we be excused?
Yes. Thank you. Have a great day.
Too.
Weston Ice.
Good morning, Judge. I'm here for Mr. Miguel Contreras, and that's 675913 and 675911.
Okay. And Mr. Contreras is here?
I don't believe so, Judge. He's actually currently homeless and suffers from what I understand, pretty severe mental illness issues. So I am in communication with him and his father, but I do not believe that they're present in the courtroom this morning. They would have come in person if they had.
Okay. Well, and so basically you have good contact with him. So
I do, Judge.
okay. All right. And what did you want to do on this, Mr. Eisman?
Actually, if I could just confer with the prosecutor on this, I could give him an update, and then that'd be about it. I still haven't received a plea in this case. I think there's some other things with it that I just need to talk to the prosecutor about.
Okay. I marked you conferring. You'll get a breakout room any second. Okay.
Thank you, Judge. I appreciate it.
Thank you. Patrick Valentine.
Good morning, Judge. I have Thomas Chavarria. He's on page 3 of your docket.
Okay. And do you have a cause number, please?
Yes, ma'am. 650153.
All right. And is he present? Mr. Chavita, are you here?
he is. Thomas, can you unmute? and say-
All right, thank you. Okay, so you wanted to confer on this, Mr. Valentine?
Yes, please, Judge.
Our audio is not good this morning. I'm sorry, I didn't hear your answer.
Yes, I would like to confer, please.
All right, Markey conferring. Thank you. John Sheffield,
Good morning, Judge.
morning.
Your Honor, I have George Martinez, Your Honor, and I'd like to confer if possible.
All right, and Mr. Martinez is here, right?
He
George-
should be present, Your Honor.
All right,
I'm here, Your Honor.
thank you, sir. I'm going to mark you conferring, Mr. Sheffield. You'll get a breakout room, okay?
Great, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Roland Garcia? Roland Garcia? Come back. Is Joseph Stateson here? Was here earlier. All right. Everett,
Roland is here, Judge.
where's Roland?
Courtroom.
Oh, okay. Good morning, Mr. Garcia. How are you? Okay, our audio is really bad in the courtroom.
That CC9 is muted, Your Honor.
It's so, Deputy Butler, is there something you can do to unmute CC9?
There you go, Judge. Sorry. It does it on its own.
Oh, okay, because I was trying to unmute it and it wasn't working. Okay. Good morning, Mr. Garcia.
Good morning, Judge. I'm here for Felix Segura. I did see his face early on the screen. We're here on a trial setting, Judge.
Okay, then we're going to reset your trial for May 2nd. Did you want to confer in the meantime?
That's not necessary, Judge.
I'm sorry, sir, I didn't hear what you said.
I said that's not necessary, Judge.
Okay, all right, then you're excused and Mr. Segura can log off.
Thank you,
Have a
Judge.
great
good
day.
You too.
Thank you.
So it's red. Thank you, sir.
Enriqueta Carrasco.
Good morning, Judge.
Morning.
I'm here on Eric Guerrero, cause number 512871. And he's incarcerated, Your Honor, so he's present before the court.
Okay. All right, and so what would you like to do on this, Ms. Carrasco?
There's two issues I'd like to take care of. He's been incarcerated for 2 weeks now. I'm trying to see what time would be appropriate to approach for a potential bond reduction, as he failed to appear in January 2021 when he lost contact with his attorney. And then the other part of it, I would request to confer with the DA so that I can get a status on where they left off at that time.
Okay, so he's got a warrant or he's in jail because of to appear for court?
He didn't appear for court, so he did have that at-large warrant, and he also picked up a felony in the 339th, if I'm not mistaken, Your Honor. So that's what actually brought him in, and he didn't know that he had a warrant or that he was at large for the County Court 9 because he had lost contact with his attorney.
All right, so I will need a motion to set bond.
Yes, Judge.
And then if you want to come in at 1:30, we'll be glad to handle it at that time.
Thank you so much, Judge. And I'll just wait to be sent to confer with the state so we can hopefully get this off the docket.
All right, great. Thank you. You
Thank
should
you,
be.
Judge.
Thank you. R.L. Griner.
Yes, Judge. I'm here on Mark Anthony Barrera. He's on number 1 on page 4.
Okay.
Cause number, if you need it, is 961271. We need to confer.
Okay, and I'll mark you conferring, and Mr. Barrera is here.
He is present, Judge.
All right. You'll be getting a breakout room any second, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
Ray Lopez?
Morning, Judge. I'm here on Justin Flores, case number 654582. I have tried to contact Mr. Flores at the phone number provided on my appointment. I had no luck reaching him. I'm not sure if he is here on the Zoom as one of the unidentifieds or if he's in the courtroom.
Justin Flores, are you present? Do you have a good phone number for him, sir?
I have a phone number, Judge. I'm not sure if it's good.
Yeah.
Tried to con it and I've got no response.
Yeah. Okay. So, what did you?
Your Honor, if I may, there's a Justin F, but I'm not too sure if it's a Justin.
It's Justin Figueroa.
Oh, okay. All right.
I did chat with him, but yeah, that's not him.
Yeah, wrong person.
All right. So, Mr. Lopez, shall I do a bond forfeiture, or do you think you can get a hold of him today?
I'm not sure if I can. I can continue trying, Judge. Maybe if you give me to the day to appear, and if he doesn't, tomorrow it's the forfeiture. But I will certainly continue giving him a try.
If we can get him in before noon, then I don't have to do the BF.
Understood, Judge.
All right. Did you want to confer in the meantime?
I'd like to speak to my client before I'm able to entertain any offers and get his
All right.
take on the situation.
I'm going to reset it to May 3. Okay. And then obviously that's a backup in case he shows up. All right. If he doesn't show up, then I'll do a bond forfeiture.
Okay, thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes, sir. Thank you. Suzanne Kramer. Okay, let me see who's here. Let me see, Mary Petrashik or Peterzak? Mary Peterzak, are you here?
Yes, I'm here. Sorry. I'm trying to race over. I am here currently on Mr. Abdelmassi on page 3653347. If I could have an opportunity to confer with the state on this case today.
All right, and let me see, that's page 3.
Yeah, he is also here, Judge.
Is he here? Okay.
Yeah.
Abdel Masih.
Yes.
Are you here, sir? Abdel Masih?
Yes,
Okay.
Yes, Mr. Yes, I'm here.
Thank you. I'm marking you present, and you'll get a breakout room, Ms. Peterzak, any moment now, okay?
Excellent. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, sir. Alberto Acevedo has a trial setting.
Your Honor, I'm present. This is on Jorge Contreras.
Okay, Contreras. Okay.
And I'd like to update the court. I didn't have this on the trial docket lineup. I guess the court had put it on there. It may have been prior to me being retained on it, but he has felonies pending right now, Judge. So if we can take it off the jury trial lineup.
Yeah, we'll remove it from the trial docket. Okay. And are you the attorney on the felonies?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the attorney on the felonies?
I am, Your Honor.
Yes. Okay. All right. So do you want to confer while you're here? But I'm going to reset you till May.
Judge, I can hop on later or email him, but at this point, I'm in court I'm in the 175th in person on the trial docket. So
Okay.
I'm trying to handle this.
Okay. So this is reset to May 26, and Mr. Contreras can log off also. Thank you, Mr. Acevedo.
Thank you, Your Honor. You have a good day.
Victoria Cruz.
Yes, Your Honor, I am present and so is my client.
Okay. And your client's name is?
Jesus Garza, he's on page number 5, number 4 from the top.
Okay. What is his name?
Jesus Garza Gonzalez.
Cruz Garza Gonzalez.
I'm sorry,
And-
Jesus Garza Gonzalez.
Okay. And he's here?
Yes, Your Honor, he's logged on.
Okay, great. What did you want to do on this, Ms. Cruz?
If I may confer, please, I would like to fine tune some points on an offer.
All right, marking you conferring, okay? You'll be at breakout room any second.
Thank you.
Erica, the nuncio, you had a chance to confer?
Yes, Your Honor, I was able to confer on Adriana Castaneda, page 5. Karina's going to review the case. She's going to try to review the case today and send over an offer.
All right. We'll reset that to May 3rd.
May 3rd, perfect. May me and my client be excused?
Yes, ma'am. Have a great day.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Loretta, you had a chance to confer? Okay. Mr. Aguilera, are you in a noisy environment? Is that coming from your area?
Yes, ma'am, it was. That's why I was up closing the door. I apologize.
Okay.
But I'm also done conferring.
Okay, great. And did you get a hold of Mr.
Amadea?
Mr.
No,
Alameda's in the courtroom, Judge.
Meda? Thank you. Okay.
He's in the courtroom, Judge.
He is in the courtroom. Okay, great. I got him marked to confer present. Okay, so let's reset that, Mr. Aguilera, to will May 3rd work for you?
Yes, Judge, and it will be.
Okay. Now, you know about our plea docket at 1:30 Monday through Thursday. If you have your paperwork ready, you're welcome to join us any day. Okay?
Okay, yeah, the preparing it right now.
Oh, okay, great. So that'll be today, 1:30 then. Okay?
Between now and May 3rd?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Thank you. You have a good day. And Mr. Almeida can log off also, or he's in the courtroom, he may leave. Okay, Thomas Beck,
Morning, Judge.
morning.
Judge, I have 2 cases on the trial docket. One is on page 5, Luis Medina.
Okay.
And then we have,
Okay.
I have a second case, page 4, Juan Elizondo. Elizondo?
Cut out, what was the last name of Juan?
Elizondo.
Elizondo, okay. And is he present?
I believe they're both present.
Yes, ma'am. Great, thank you. What do you want to do on these, Mr. Beck?
I'm negotiating with Mr. King on Luis Medina, and I think we're going to settle that case in the next couple of days, and we're going to do paperwork, and then we're going to get on one of your dockets at 1:30. But I thought maybe you would just set it for trial now, so we got a date. And on Juan Elizondo, I kind of like to do the same thing. Okay. There's an issue of restitution on that case, and I don't think they know how much it is, but so I would like to get resets. I was in person in 8, in 5 this morning, and my client didn't show up. And now my client just called me. She's going down to County Court 5 to Ward.
All right.
I'm confident we can get Luis Medina settled and ready for a plea, certainly next week.
You want me to remove him from the trial docket, right?
Yes, that would be good.
Okay, and because you're working on getting it resolved. So
in fact, if you want to put us on an afternoon docket next week, I'm sure we can get it done by then.
Yeah. Well, no, I'm just going to give you a reset on both of these to May 3rd. But then you can come in anytime you have your paperwork ready if you end up doing a plea at 1:30 Monday through Thursday, okay?
Okay, Judge.
Okay. All right, good. All right, good to see you, Mr. Beck. Anything else?
No, if you can just excuse my clients and make sure that they understand that they're excused.
Okay. And you are going to confer on these?
By email, yes. Oh, yes.
By email. Okay, then. All right. So Mr. Mendoza and Mr. Elizondo, you all are excused. You may log off now. Thank you.
Thank you, Amy. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir. You too.
Judge,
Yes.
Could I make my announcement? I have a plea in the 379th.
Yes, sir.
Judge,
What is
I have Mr. Luis Silva.
Okay. You have a cause number?
Yes, Judge. That's going to be 663196, Judge.
Okay.
And I just want to confer with the state via email on the Bear Gives Back program for him.
All right.
And then I also have another gentleman by the name of Luis Sanchez.
Okay.
And that's going to be 655829. Same
Okay.
thing, Judge.
Okay. All right. So if I reset both of these to May 3rd, will that work?
Yes, Judge. And I have one more that I'd like to have a plea on, and I'll text or I'll email Elia for later this week, and that's 665033 Miriam Menchaca, and she's on Zoom.
Okay. So all three people are present, right?
Correct, Judge. The other two gentlemen are in my office, and I can flip the camera if you need me to.
No, I'll take your word for it. Okay. So if I reset all these for May 3rd, the plea, you can come in anytime it's actually ready. Just
Okay, Judge.
call Ada and let her know to expect you, okay?
Will do, Judge. I'll do that this afternoon. Thank you,
Oh,
Judge.
all right, thank you. So everyone is excused to May leave. Thank you. All right, so
Your Honor, this is Sean Sheffield. I'm back from conferring.
Patrick Valentine, did you have a chance to confer?
Yes, Your Honor, I did. This case is actually still a red file because the blood results have apparently never made their way back to the prosecutor's office. Karina's going to search for them, and if she can't find them, she thinks that the case will be disposed of.
Okay, all right, then I'm just going to reset it as a backup for May 3rd, okay?
Thank you very much.
Thank you. So Mr. Chavita can log off. You have a great day, Mr. Valentine. Thank you. Now, somebody else is speaking. Sean Sheffield, you had a
Yes,
chance.
I apologize, Judge. This is Sean Sheffield on the George Martinez case.
Yes.
And I apologize, Your Honor. I was informed he has 2 felonies pending. One of them is the same transaction
Okay.
in the 399th, and there's not a court date at this time.
All right. Are you the attorney on the felony also?
I am not, Your Honor. Mr.
I'm gonna
Blank is.
To May 3rd, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. And Mr. Martinez can log off at this time. Thank you, sir. You have
Thank
a
you,
great.
Judge. I'll take care.
Thank you. You too. All right. So Weston Eisman, you had a chance to confer, sir?
Yes, Judge. I conferred with the prosecutor. I guess we were going to ask for some time here. I might try to get my client into mental health court potentially. And then there's some potential felonies pending, but I'm not sure if those are going to go through yet. He's going to talk to the felony prosecutors and email me back and kind of see what's going on there.
Okay. So if we reset this for May 3rd as a backup, will that work for you?
That's perfect. I think that gives me enough time.
Okay, great. All right. Thank you very much, Mr. Eisman. You have a great day.
Thank you, Judge. You as well.
Thank you. Let me see who else was here. Mr. Alfredo Sanz, I see you've been waiting.
Your Honor. Yes, I'm present, Your Honor.
I see. Who is your client, sir?
Lisa Sainz. And she's on page 6, 7th from the top.
What is her name again?
Lisa Sainz.
What first name?
Lisa.
Your audio is not good.
I'm sorry.
What page was that on?
It's page number 6.
Okay. Let me find it.
7th from the top. It's 670068.
Thank you. 068.
And she's present. She's here with me.
Oh, with you. Okay, great. Mark and present. What do you want to do, Mr. Science?
I would like to confer with the state.
You got it, sir. You'll get a breakout room any second, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
Let me see, who else did I see that was waiting here? Sean Farmer?
Hello, good morning, Your Honor. I'm here for Diego Pedroso. He's on page number 5 of the docket on the
All right.
cause number 671-440. And I'm
Okay.
hoping to confer with the state.
Okay, I'll mark you conferring, Mr. Farmer. Thank you.
Thank you.
And
He should be present.
Mr. was present, right?
I believe so, yes.
I see Diego Pedrosa. I'm assuming that's the same one.
Yes, it is.
Okay. I wrote down Gabriel, but it's Diego. Okay. Thank you. All right, so at this time, let me see.
Judge, I just need to confer. This is Suzanne.
Okay, one second. I have Enriqueta Carrasco. That's a client, right? Oh, okay, yeah.
Oh,
Miss.
Judge, that was I was in the conferring for Eric Guerrero, and
Okay.
Karina and I were able to discuss. She will be unopposed to the motion to reduce bond, so I'll set that with a agreed order to
Perfect.
reduce bond for $7,500.
Okay, and if you submit that, I probably will get it today. So
Fabulous. Thank you so much, Judge. And then she hasn't had a chance to review the case, so if you want to reset us for a later time so that we can get together, then that would be great.
How about May 3rd? Will that work?
Perfect.
Okay, great. Okay, so your client is also excused, is in custody. Okay. You have a great day, Ms. Carrasco.
Thank you, Judge. Have a great day.
You
Bye-bye.
too. Bye. Who else has conferred already? Okay, so Ms. Suzanne Kramer?
Yes, Judge, I just need to be put in line for a breakout room with the prosecutor.
Okay, can I ask you to give me your client's name?
Yes, it's Selena Mendoza. She's on page 4, 662087.
And is she present?
She is, Judge.
Okay, great. Thank you. And I'll mark you conferring so you can get a breakout room any second. Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. All right. R.L. Griner had a chance to confer?
Yes, Judge, we did. The state submitted 2 offers. I will present them to my client, and in all likelihood, they'll be acceptable.
All right. May 3rd, will that work for you, sir?
Yes, ma'am, it will.
All right. Thank you very much. And Mr. Barrera may log off. You have a great day, Mr. Griner. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. At this time, Robert Valdez.
Good morning, Your Honor. I represent Satchel Calhoun on the bottom of page 4.
Okay. Let me see. And is he present, Mr. Valdez?
Yes, he is. I saw him there.
I'm present, Your Honor.
Oh, you said he was at the bottom of page 4?
That's correct.
I see. Satchel Calhoun, and I heard you just say something. I'm marking you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you very much. Okay, and what do you want to do, Mr. Valdez, on
I'd like
this?
to confer, is he okay to be excused so we'll go back to work while I confer?
Yes. Okay, Mr. Calhoun, you are excused, sir. You may log off at this time. Just stay in touch with your lawyer, okay? And so I'm marking you, Mr. Valdez. You'll get a breakout room any second, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Justin Figueroa, will you please unmute yourself and get in front of the screen?
Hello.
Okay, good morning. You do not have an attorney, Mr. Figueroa?
Yes, ma'am. I was gonna wonder if we could do a reset so I could get one. I had one.
All right, let me find you one.
I have my case number.
Oh, if you do, that's a big help.
It is 627-927.
Oh, wonderful. Let me see if I can find you. Okay. 927, here you are. Okay. I'm going to give you a choice here. If you want time to hire an attorney, I will reset you and you can come back and 30 days. Or if you want to apply for a court-appointed attorney, you can go into a breakout room with Ms. Castillo and see if you can work that out. You tell me what you want to do.
If I could have a little bit more time to hire a lawyer, ma'am.
All right, sir. I'm going to reset you for May 3rd.
May 3rd, yes, ma'am.
That's a day that you have to come back at 10 o'clock, sir. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You take care and know that I do need you to appear if you're going to have that setting. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sir. You have a great day. Take care. Thank you. You may log off. All right. Ms. Ferreira, would you please unmute yourself and turn on your video? Viara Ferreira, will you please unmute yourself and turn on your video?
I'm here. The front camera doesn't work, so it doesn't allow me to put the camera.
Okay, all right. So your attorney was here. He was in the courtroom, and he has already conferred, I believe. Is he still here, Alita? John Young?
I believe he's gone, Your Honor.
He's gone?
Mhm. He's not in the courtroom.
Okay. He did confer or not?
I believe he did, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. So, Ms. Ferreira, I've already reset your case. I gave him a new date, and that is May the 3rd. So you're welcome to log off at this time. Just stay in touch with your lawyer, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Take care. Angela, would you please unmute yourself and turn on your video?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and what is your full name, ma'am?
Angela Bornicelli.
Okay, you're gonna have to tell me how to spell that.
B as in boy, O R N as in Nancy, A C E L L I.
Thank you. Do you have a lawyer?
Yes, Tim
Okay.
Roundtree.
Tim Roundtree, okay. All right, we are going to wait for Mr. Roundtree. He's in other courts at this time. And you're welcome to wait, but if you have to leave, I can just document that I've marked you present, whatever you want to do.
Okay, thank you.
Tell me what you want.
I'll wait for a little bit. If I have to leave, then I'll leave.
All right,
I'll let you know if I need to.
okay, all right. Thank you, ma'am. Laura Fan, would you please unmute yourself and turn on your video?
Hello, Judge.
Hello, how are you today, Miss Fan?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. Who is your lawyer, ma'am?
Tim Roundtree.
Okay. Wait for him. I'll mark you present. And
Okay.
again, you can also wait for your lawyer, and as we're perfectly happy to let you, stay. But if you have to leave, I'll be glad to excuse you and just document it. So you let me know what you want to do, okay?
Okay, Judge, I'm at work, so I gotta leave, but thank you.
All right, so then I'm going to excuse you at 11:10, okay? And I'll tell
Okay,
Mr.
thank you.
Just stay in touch with your lawyer, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
I have Counselor Munoz in the courtroom, Judge.
Okay, thank you. If he could approach, please.
It's going to be case number 648059, page 2, middle.
And, okay, and which Munoz is this?
Renee Munoz for Michael Young.
Oh, okay, good morning. How are you, Mr. Munoz? Is he in the courtroom? There he is, okay. All right, good morning. Today.
Morning, Your Honor. Yeah, sorry, I've been running around like crazy. It appears I'll be picking a jury this afternoon with Sid Harrell at 1:15, Your Honor. But I do have 3 cases on today's docket. I don't have the docket with me. Oh, there it is. Okay.
Names. Have those by any chance?
Yes, Judge. So the first ones I have on page number 2, 648059.
And what's the name of the client?
Crystal Amaton.
Okay, he's here. I saw that.
Yes,
Okay.
Judge. She's present. So Judge, with regard to these cases here, my client wants to go ahead and accept a plea on those. They are set for trial, but I did negotiate with the state and she doesn't want to accept that plea.
Okay, so you were set for trial, but she wants to take the plea offer.
Judge, yes, that's correct.
Okay, so I'll remove you from the trial docket. All right, and you already have the agreement?
Yes, Judge, we have an agreement. It would be to resolve all 3 cases.
All right, so I'm going to reset this for May the 3rd, but obviously as soon as you get the paperwork done, you're welcome to come in any day, Monday through Thursday at 1:30. Just to let you know to be expecting you, okay?
Yes, Judge, I appreciate that. I believe, I have on page number 5, Dimas de Leon, 671388.
71288. De Leon. Is Mr. De Leon in the courtroom or is he here?
No, Judge, sorry.
Dimas de Leon here? I'm not seeing him.
No, Judge, he's not present, I believe, in the courtroom or on Zoom. I haven't had contact with him, unfortunately. I know it was, you had allowed us some time to contact him, but I just feel like I gotta be candid with the court and say I have no contact with him at this point.
So we'll do a bond forfeiture, but the warrant won't go out for 7 days. Okay, if you can get.
Yes, Your Honor, I will surely try. I appreciate it. And I do have just one more on page number 1, Pedro Jarague, 627897.
And I think I saw Mr. Howdeggy here. Yes, he's in custody, right?
Yes, Your Honor, he's right there in the orange. The state did extend an offer. However, he does have felony cases pending, Judge. So he's not willing to accept an offer on this misdemeanor case. So I believe the felonies he's in on are some serious felonies. So we would just ask that be reset for felony pending, if the court is able to do that.
Are you all representing him on the felonies also?
No, Your Honor, we're not.
Okay, well, I'm going to reset that for May 3rd, along with the other Crystal Amaton's case, okay?
Perfect, Judge. Yes, I appreciate that. That would take care of my clients for today, Judge. I appreciate it.
Thank you, Mr. Munoz. If there's nothing further, Ms. Amaton, you're welcome to log off, ma'am. And so is Mr. Jauregui.
Thank you, Judge.
So you all have a good day. You all be careful.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Appreciate it. Bye.
Thank you, Mr. Munoz. You have a great day. And Mr. Jauregui, you need to tell the deputy that you're free to go. And it's probably not bad time. It's getting close to lunch. You have a good day, sir. All right, Ms. Cruz, you had a chance to confer?
Yes, Your Honor. We're very close, but state is going to try and upload the actual Coban of the driving facts. But we're getting there. So if we could have one more setting on the pretrial docket, just to upload that video, we will make a decision by the next setting.
All right, that's fine. We'll reset this to May 3rd. Will that work for you?
Yes, Your Honor, that should work.
Okay, great. All right. Well, you don't have nothing further, right, on this docket?
No, Your Honor, I don't believe so.
Okay, well, you have a great day, Ms. Cruz. And Mr. Gonzalez or Ms. Gonzalez may leave.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Garza, Jesus Garza may leave. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. Always a pleasure. Have a great day.
You have a wonderful day. Thank you. Okay. Andrew Freilich, how are you today?
Extraordinarily annoyed.
You are what?
Extraordinarily annoyed.
You're annoyed?
I am very much so, Your Honor. I apologize for being late. It seems as though there are other courts who love to waste people's time. And while I sincerely appreciate the court's patience for my being tardy in this matter, I know that you are very efficient with your time, unlike certain other courts who love to waste people's time for no apparent reason.
Well, thank you for the compliment. We do our best, but sometimes it's not quite good enough. But
it could possibly be worse than the court I was just in.
Okay, so who are you here on today?
Judge, I have two matters for the court to consider. The first one, Virginia Martinez. That would be 673057. I've had no contact with my client. I'm not sure if she made it to court this morning, but we've made numerous attempts and no response.
Virginia Martinez, are you here? Virginia Martinez. Well, okay. Then I'm just going to do bond forfeiture, and the warrant won't go out for 7 days if we can get her in. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. The second matter for me personally, I got a case on the docket for tomorrow. I wanted to confer with maybe the state about that, but also be excused from coming back tomorrow.
Which is the second case? It's off docket, but you want to confer?
Yeah.
Which one is it?
The name, I love this name, Bailey Todd Hunter, case number 634002.
Okay, I'll mark you conferring. I'm just going to give you a reset of May 3rd on that, just not knowing what it's about.
On Ms. Todd, that's not necessary, Judge. You don't have jurisdiction. It's been 2 years and the case is still a red file. So I'm going to, with all due respect, Your Honor, say that is past the statute of limitations.
Okay, you're right, but I'm going to still have a backup of May 3rd. Obviously, when you get it resolved, it'll go away.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. You have a wonderful day, and you may leave from the breakout room, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. Appreciate it.
Thank you. Ms. Kramer, you had a chance to confirm, ma'am?
Yes, Judge. I asked the DA to look into the file and send me an email with a possible offer of deferred. So we're waiting on that.
Okay. We'll reset that for May 3rd. Will that work for you?
I'm sure that's fine, Judge.
Okay, ma'am. It's good to see you. You have a great day.
Y'all have a great week.
I can leave also. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ms. Mendoza, Selena Mendoza, can you unmute yourself, please?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, ma'am. I just reset your matter with your lawyer for May 3rd, okay? So at this time, you are welcome to log off, ma'am. Just stay in touch with your lawyer, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Okay. Mr. Jorge Mejia, would you please unmute yourself and turn on your video?
Present, Your Honor.
Good morning, sir. You have a lawyer?
Yes.
What is your lawyer's name?
Tim Roundtree.
Okay. We are waiting for Mr. Roundtree. Let me add you to the people he has. And your name is Jorge Mejia, okay. He is busy in another court right now, so we're going to wait for him. We're happy to do that. But if you need to get to work, I can excuse you, and you just stay in touch with your lawyer, whatever you want to do. You're welcome to stay, whatever. You please.
I have to leave because I'm at the hospital.
You're at the hospital?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to. You're visiting somebody?
No, I just had my son.
Oh, you just had a baby?
Yes.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you.
How much did he weigh?
7 pounds.
Oh, that's good size. Well, congratulations. Is he the
Thank you
only
so much.
baby?
No, I have a girl. I have she's 9 years old.
Well, it's time to celebrate. You have a great day. I just stay in touch with your lawyer, okay? Because I don't know what date your case is going to be reset. Okay.
Thank you so much, Your Honor. Bye.
Bye. All right. I saw Mr. Lopez. You had to confirm, Mr. Lopez?
Judge, I just reached my client, Justin Flores. He should be logging on. Now that I've had the chance to speak with him, if I could confer with the DA, and we'll wait for him to log on.
Absolutely. I'm going to mark you conferring, and I will check him when he logs on as present. And the reset date I gave you, May 3rd, still holds, so you can leave from the breakout room after you confer with the state.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Mr. Lopez. Jorge Contreras, will you please unmute yourself and turn on your video? Mr. Sanz, you had a chance to confer, sir? You're muted, Mr. Sanz. Alfredo Santos.
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
Yes, sir. You have a
I
chance
conferred. And what did I just do? Can you hear me, Judge? I'm sorry.
Oh, your audio is very bad. It's just fractured. Pixelated, but whatever they call that term when I can hear a syllable or two.
Yes, yeah. I've agreed on the plea.
Okay.
He wants. I'm going to have to do something before we can enter the plea. So I'd like to set it for next setting. I think I can come by before that on the 1:30 docket.
Okay. All right. So we're going to reset it for May 3.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Mr. Sines. You have a wonderful day.
Thank you. May I be excused?
Yes, sir. Your client is also excused, may log off at this time. Thank you. Oh, yeah. I need to log off, right?
Yes.
Take care.
Thank you, Judge.
Rosendo Maciel Herrera, can you please unmute yourself, sir? Rosendo Maciel Herrera. If you just click on the little microphone icon, you will be unmuted. Okay, Mr. Herrera. Who's your lawyer, sir? Oh, you don't have any audio. I can't tell. Can you hear me? Can you turn up the volume on your microphone? Maybe that's what it is. Can you increase the volume? Oh, okay. All right. So, okay, I see you have a lawyer. Okay. All right. Thank you. We'll wait for your lawyer. Mr. Guerrero, Eric Guerrero. And you,
Yes, Judge.
what is your lawyer's name?
Enriqueta Carrasco.
I'm wondering if I got, hey, yeah, I already reset your case, sir, and we'll come May the 3rd on that, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. So you may leave now.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Thank you. Diego Pedrosa.
Can I just leave? Or do I leave? Said I was excused. Yeah, the other.
Jorge Contreras, can you please unmute yourself, sir? Jorge Contreras. Can you turn on your video, please? Mr. Farmer? You had a chance to.
Hello. Yes, I had the opportunity to confer, and I'd be requesting, I guess, just like a week reset for the state to attempt to contact the complaining witness with the victim advocate, and it would be for possible dismissal.
All right, so we can reset that to May 3rd. Will that work for you?
Yes, it does.
Okay, and Mr. Diego Pedraza, sir, you can log off at this time. Stay in touch with your lawyer, okay? Mr. Diego Pedrosa, right. All right, Mr. Farmer, thank you, sir. You have a great day,
Your Honor.
and May 3rd it is, okay?
You too.
Mr. Pedrosa, you may log off, sir, at this time. Thank you. Stay in touch with your lawyer. Thank you, sir. Ray Lopez?
Hi, Judge. We finished conferring. The state will be sending me an offer. Just wanted to check in and see if my client did in fact appear.
Mr. Flores, right? Justin Flores? Haven't
Yes, Your
seen-
Honor.
And I don't see him in the waiting room. I don't, you think he got the wrong invite? Can you call him?
I forwarded him the email, so it'd be directly from the court, so. But I will
Well-
call him and see if we can get him on there.
Yeah, tell him that I want to mark him present so I don't have to issue a warrant. Please.
I will, Judge.
Thank you.
May I be excused? I think the DA is going to send me an offer.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, Mr. Lopez. You take care.
Thank you, Judge. You too.
Robert Valdez, did you have a chance to confer?
Yes, I spoke to Corina, Your Honor. She's going to review the file and give me an offer. And so she said to ask for a reset for that purpose.
Okay, how about May 3rd? Will that,
May 3rd would be fine, Judge.
great. Okay, Mr. Valdez, thank you very much, sir. You have a great day.
You as well, Your Honor.
Mr. Roundtree? Jim Roundtree? Tim Roundtree? Okay, Mr. Brian O'Donnell, I see you.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. I was in a different Zoom with an inmate. I'm here for Zaina Gutierrez. She's a prisoner right now, Your Honor. I filed a motion to reduce bond. I don't know if the court has time to hear the motion.
At 1:30, we'll be glad to hear it.
Very well, Judge.
Okay. So we are handling those at off docket at 1:30.
Very well. May I'll come back at 1:30, Your Honor?
Yes, please. Same invite, okay? And that's for Ms. Gutierrez also. I saw her a minute ago. Yeah. She's in custody. Do you want me to excuse her so she doesn't have to come back at 1:30?
It might be best that if she could come back, I don't know if the jail will allow that. And if I could talk to her to explain things where, she has a felony and the felony has an $800 bond. So I was just asking if we could lower this bond.
Yeah. Why don't you go in a breakout room and talk to Ms. Gutierrez, and then you can decide if you need to have her back at 1:30 or not.
Thank you.
Okay. All right. Thank you. You'll get that any moment.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Judge Saldaña, this is Tim Roundtree.
Good morning, Mr. Roundtree. How are you today?
I'm doing well, Your Honor. I heard you call me, but I couldn't get things to work. I don't know what happened.
Oh, I know. Sometimes there's that internet thing is a problem, I think.
Yes,
So-
I'm actually in the courthouse, so it makes it a little bit more difficult, but that's okay. So, Judge, I have several cases on your docket.
Okay.
We could start with the one that's set for jury trial, which would be Miss Angela Bornicelli Tovar, 660-278.
660-278. Okay. And she is
And
here.
Judge, we have a plea agreement. She is. And we do have a plea agreement worked out, Judge, on that. And we'd ask for a plea setting.
All right. So, and it was on the trial docket?
Well, that's what my notes said.
Okay. So we'll remove it from the trial docket. Okay.
Yes, we have an agreement. Yes, Judge.
I can give you a reset for that for May 3rd, but if you have that paperwork done before that, we have a plea docket 1:30 every day except Friday. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And then
We'll
the
be
next,
back before May 3rd.
okay. And the next one?
Judge, I have Laura Fan, 654-075.
And I did excuse Ms. Fan, and I told her you were busy in another court. She did take the opportunity to leave, so I marked her present.
Thank you very much. Okay, great. And Judge, I need one more opportunity to talk with Ms. Fan about her case before we make a final decision on what she wants to do.
Okay. We'll reset that for May 3rd also. Okay.
That would be great. And then my last case is Jorge Mejia Ramirez, 649645.
649645. And he was here. I excused him also. I think he just, I don't know if that's the same one. Yeah, I did excuse him. So at 11:22. So what do you want to do on that one?
I would like that same May 3rd setting, Judge, and it may end up, it'll probably be the final setting, or else we may come back before then. We have an offer in that case as well.
All right. So then all three of your cases are reset to May 3rd.
Thank you, Judge. And I do apologize for delay. I had an in-person trial setting in the 379th and an in-person plea in the 175th and a trial setting in another court. So thank you for your patience. Thank you for your courtesy of letting my clients go, because I really appreciate that.
Oh, I'm glad that worked out. You have a wonderful day, Mr. Roundtree. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I see a Samsung SMG 991U. Would you please?
Yes, my name is Justin Flores.
Okay, Mr. Flores, thank you for coming in. I did not
My
want
lawyer told me to join.
right, because if I don't see you, I had to issue a warrant.
Yeah, I'm here.
All right, I'm marking you present, and now you may leave. You have a great day. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Albert Flores, are you ready to appear on Zoom? Good morning. How are you doing? Oh, you're still muted, Mr. Flores. For some reason, it's not unmuted. There we go. Can you hear me, Mr. Flores? Okay. Maybe the volume on your microphone? I cannot hear you, Mr. Flores. Oh, okay. I got you. Thank you. Jorge Contreras, can you please unmute yourself and turn on your video? Mr. O'Donnell, did you have a chance to confer?
I did, and Michael, I'd like to come back if we have the bond hearing at 1:30. I also noticed that I thought my notes say that we did have a bond hearing on March 17 and the bond was reduced to $50. I was going to ask if I could go upstairs and see maybe there are some notes And I was also going to chat with Corina and see if she remembers, because I think we just joined the Zoom on the 17th and talked about this bond hearing.
Okay, so I think I'm adding to my docket the fact that I need to have all those requests in writing, because unfortunately it's too easy for them to, just get.
Sure. Yes, I filed the motion, Judge. It would have been in writing, but I don't know if there was a court order to that effect. So maybe there's something in the court file.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Well, if there wasn't, if you'll give me an order, I'll be glad to sign it. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you. Okay, Mr. Flores, shall we try it again?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm sorry about that, Judge. It was
Okay.
a computer that I thought I could get to work. Forgive me, Judge. I've been out of town for about 4 or 5 days. What case are we here on?
I don't know. Let me see if I can find it. Aleda, can you give us a hint where I'm going to find Mr. Flores' case? Your Honor,
Case
that would
number
be on
is
first page.
630-924.
Okay, I see it now. That's on Gabriel Lopez Chavez. It's a trial.
I recall now, Judge. Judge, we received a pretty fair offer last week that I've not communicated with my client. I wonder if I could get 2 weeks to consider that with him.
Yeah, actually, I'm going to give you a May 3rd reset date.
That's perfect, Judge.
And since it's on the trial docket, are you asking me to remove it from the trial docket?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I will do that. And last thing is Mr. Gabriel Lopez Chavez here?
He's not, Judge. I can send him the link real quick. I just received the link this morning. I
Okay.
had not had it before then.
Oh, okay. Okay, so if you'll get him on so I can mark him present,
Will
then
do, Judge.
everything will be taken care of until May 3rd.
Yes, ma'am.
Mary Petrashik, Peter Zach.
It's either one, Judge. If I could go into a breakout room with my client to go over the case, and then we should know what we're doing.
Okay, on Mr. Abdel Masih, you want to confer with him first?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, Mark, you confirm.
Yes.
You can meet him in a breakout room any second.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Yes, Ms. Mary.
Oh, we're gonna go into a break talk. Okay, so when you get the when it says join, just make sure to click it. Okay.
All right, so I'm gonna wait for next update from you.
No, you're going to see on your screen, join breakout room, whatever number it is. Click on that and you'll be meeting with your lawyer.
Oh, all right, Mr. Thank you. Thank you.
Brian O'Donnell?
Yes, Your Honor. I just had a chat with the state, and they have no objection to the bond being reduced. I'm just going to draft the bond reduction order to a $50 bond.
Okay, great. That works.
May I be excused, and my client, Ms. Zaina Gutierrez, be excused then too. She's working with a bond company already.
Okay, great. Yes, sir. Ms.
Thank-
Gutierrez, you can tell the deputy that you're released and you can log off at this time, okay? Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Karina.
Mr. O'Donnell, take care. Mr. Flores, can you unmute yourself?
Yes, Your Honor.
So you were able to get a hold of Mr. Lopez Chavez or not?
Yes, Judge, he should be logging on shortly. I just sent him a link about 2 or 3 minutes ago.
Okay, great. But you are going to entertain an offer. Did you have a chance to confer with the state?
Through email, yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. So, and I gave you a reset date of May 3rd, right?
May 3rd, that's correct, Judge.
Okay. So as soon as Mr. Flores lets me mark him present, then you're done, right? Okay, great.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ms. Peterzak, did you have a chance to confer with your client?
Yes, Judge, I did. I would like an opportunity to confer with Ms. Sanchez again, but I think if my client could be excused to go to work at this time.
Yes, Mr. Basim Abdel Nasi, you are excused, sir, and you may log off at this time. Take care and have a good day.
All right. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Mr. Judge.
Okay. And your other client is who, Ms. Petrashek? I don't think I've got him.
Oh, I think I only had one on the docket, Judge. I just needed to talk to Ms. Sanchez again.
Oh, okay, so you want to confer again? We'll send you to a breakout room any second, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
Rosendo Maciel Herrera.
Hi, good morning.
And your attorney is who again? I'm sorry.
My lawyer is
The audio is really bad. Okay.
I'm sorry. Luis Martinez.
Luis Martinez. All right, Mr. Herrera. We're going to wait for your lawyer.
Okay, thank you.
You want me to excuse you or do you want me to excuse?
I can wait, but
You want to wait for your lawyer?
thank you.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Lopez Chavez, can you unmute yourself, please? Turn on your video.
He's a Spanish speaker, Your Honor. There he is.
All right.
Hola.
Buenos días.
Buenos días.
Señor Chávez, ya lo, ya lo marqué presente, porque si usted no se presenta a la corte como es debido, entonces necesito ordenar una orden de arresto. Y no quería hacer eso, por eso su abogado le pidió que viniera y se presentara. Ya lo marqué presente y ahora se puede retirar. Que tenga buen día. Gracias.
Muchas gracias.
No hay de qué. Que pase buenas tardes.
Sí.
Thank you, Mr. Flores. I've marked
Thank you,
him
Your Honor. May I be
present.
excused?
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Mary Petersack, did you have a chance to talk with your other clients?
Yes, Judge. I think I just needed a reset date for Mr. Abdelmasi. We were going to apply for the pretrial diversion program.
Okay, so I'm going to reset that to May 3rd. Okay.
Excellent. Thank you, Judge Baby.
Yes.
Thank you. Y'all have a great Monday.
You too. Thank you. Bye-bye. Mr. Herrera, can you unmute yourself, please? Mr. Herrera, we're still waiting for your lawyer. He's busy somewhere else in another court. You're welcome to log off and just stay in touch with your lawyer, sir. It's almost lunchtime, a few minutes away. I marked you present. I already marked you present.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Herrera. You take care.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. What is
the new court date will be May 3. Okay.
What
Sorry, I cannot hear you. Wrong audio. Talk to your attorney, sir. Stay in touch with your attorney, okay?
please. Maitri, thank you very much. Thank you. Because my lawyer, ya dos tiempos que.
What happened? He went away. So maybe I'm going to reset him sooner than May 3rd. I just wanted to recall that instead of resetting it to May 3rd for tomorrow, which will be March 29. Okay. So, Aleda, have we heard from Mr. Hernandez?
Now you're muted. I did call Tony Hernandez and left word. The secretary was going to text him. Apparently he was in court. And I'm not too sure, but I think I heard that Javier Ibarra was probably in an accident. So I did tell the assistant that it was one case and it was named under both counsel, Tony and Javier Ibarra. So maybe Mr. Hernandez comes in.
So I'm thinking we'll just recall it tomorrow.
Okay. And then on page 3, Elizabeth Settle's going to probably be coming in this afternoon for a plea.
Okay.
And that is 655047.
55047. Let's see, 1 second.
I don't have the paperwork signed or anything.
On Malachi Mungia. Okay. So
Maybe Mr. King will be able to let us know where it's at. You know what? Or what was going on? He may need to reroute it to you because it was for Ender.
Okay.
Yeah, I think something happened that they couldn't make it that day.
All right.
Then
it would not show up on my Adobe sign then if it was sent to right. Okay.
He's gonna have to reroute it.
Okay.
And as far as Luis Martinez, he is in person in the courthouse. And the secretary was going to tell him to come by.
Okay, I think we'll just recall it till tomorrow because Mr. Herrera wanted to say something and then his internet went away. So I think, and he only speaks Spanish. So I want him to have a chance to talk with his lawyer on Zoom. So. Okay, I think other than that, that's the same thing with the other one that we have waiting. Who was that? Tony Hernandez. Yeah, we'll just recall that and Mr. Martinez, those two for tomorrow. And then we have bond forfeitures. Do we need to call out in the courthouse some names? We probably do, right?
The only ones that we have was the one that Mr. Rene Munoz indicated, Dimas de Leon. He's on page 5.
Okay.
And Andrew Frolic on Virginia Martinez. I think he was going to confer with the state on that.
Yeah, he was conferring with the state on that, but no, Virginia Martinez, he's had no contact. with the
Right.
bond. Yeah.
You're right, Judge. It's an FTA. The one that he was conferring with the state was for tomorrow's docket.
Yeah, Todd Hunter, Bailey Todd Hunter, or something like that. And that's a red flag. So he said,
So that's
Not
it on
even-
that.
said on that.
You probably will be getting this afternoon, case 624711. This is an FTA that was done on February 15. And I think Mr. Gary Sharek came in on February 14, but that docket was already sent out and I guess he filed his notice of appearance. So he's gonna come in to recall that warrant.
Okay. It's at 1:30. Okay. Okay. So Joseph Stateson never came back.
No, he was here earlier in the morning and then I think what he did is checked and then he must have called or checked the system because Monica Guerrero had a case, actually 2 cases and that one was already dismissed and sentenced.
Oh, okay. So it turned out not to be urgent.
Mhm.
A motion for discovery and preservation of specific evidence on case number 667510. I think we're